Hello and welcome to Discover Incredible Vietnam. And today we will discover a little bit differently about the economy, specifically about the Vietnam stock market. Let's start with historical development of the stock market in Vietnam. In 1998, the Vietnam stock market was established. The Ho Chi Minh City Stock Exchange, short term is HOSE or HSX, began operations in 2000 with only 2 listed stocks. In 2005, the Hanoi Stock Exchange or HNX introduced stock auction for state-owned enterprises. The securities law in 2006 marked a significant turning point for the stock market in Vietnam, leading to substantial growth. Despite facing the impacts of the COVID-19 pandemic, the Vietnamese stock market has rebounded strongly. The formation of the stock market aimed to mobilize funds for economic and industrial development as outlined by the party and the state. The creation of legal framework and infrastructure for the stock market in Vietnam involved the establishment of the State Securities Commission. The introduction of the security law in 2006 marked a new phase for the development of the stock market. Significant progress has made in the mid-2000s with the establishment of the Ho Chi Minh City and Hanoi Stock Exchanges, attracting domestic and foreign investors. The Vietnamese economy is relatively young. However, it has obtained recognition as a market economy by over 70 countries. Foreign participation in Vietnam stock market is not only possible, but encouraged, with government policies facilitating access for international investors. As the Ho Chi Minh Stock Exchange aligns with regulatory directives, foreign investors have increasing opportunities to engage in the market. You just need to ask how to open a stock trading account in Vietnam. There will be suitable guide available on such engine for you. So how to see the price list of Vietnam stock? You can directly visit these links, or you can visit stock websites. In Vietnam, there are over 70 securities companies operating. Here, I took K5, then choose the price board here so you can see the real-time stock prices. Upcom is the unlisted public company market, which started trading in 2009. VN30 includes stocks listed on the Ho Chi Minh City Stock Exchange, which are eligible for participating in the creation basket and index criteria. Let's dive deeper into some trading regulation. Trading unit on HSX, HNX, and Upcom. One lot is equal to 100 shares. In the time of order margin trading, buying volume of shares and closed fund certificate will be deducted from the number available for foreign investors immediately after the buy order is executed. Selling volume of shares and closed fund certificates of foreign investor will be added to the number available for the foreign investor right after ending the settlement T+2. Buy orders or the rest or partially filled buy orders of foreign investors which are not executed will be automatically cancelled if ownership limit for foreigners is hit, and buy orders inputted into the trading system will not be accepted. How about price ranges? For example, on HOSE, which is Ho Chi Minh Stock Exchange, selling price is equal to reference price plus 7%. Floor price is equal to reference price minus 7%. On the first listing day, a particular stock can fluctuate plus or minus 20% to the reference price. Trading days from Monday to Friday is set to national holidays, usually from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. and have a break in the midday. Order types. The most popular order types are LO, ATO, and ATC. Some others like MP, MTL, or etc. You can turn back to trading days and hours section to see how they are arranged. A new stock trading platform provided by the Korea Exchange, KRX, will be deployed in Vietnam as soon as its final user testing phase is completed. Nguyễn Việt Hà, acting chairman of HOSE, operator of the system, said, Once put into operation, this system is expected to breathe the new life into the Vietnamese stock market with many new solutions for payments and transactions. However, up to May 2024, the KRX system has not undergone a comprehensive acceptance review involving the investor, the contractor, and the beneficiary units, as well as obtained the required Level 4 information security approval from the relevant authority per government regulations. Immediately after receiving SSC's opinion, the wholesaler issued a document requesting the security company to stop implementing the plan to convert to KRX training system. Hence, until this time, this system has not been launched yet. However, this is still an important stepping stone for Vietnam stock market to make criteria such as pre-funding with the central counterparty clearinghouse or CCP model. The T+O settlement system, trades in shares are settled on the same day or short selling. As I mentioned, the current liquidity of stocks in Vietnam is T+2, meaning that after buying order is executed, you will only be able to receive the purchased volume or sell it 2 days later. How about the future view? The Vietnamese government has set a target of raising its security market capitalization to 100% of gross domestic product in 2025, nearly doubling its size as of 2023. The market size is expected to swell to 120% of GDP in 2030, according to a government strategy for stock market development released late in December. The combined value of shares traded on Vietnam's 3 stock exchanges was 5,746.3 trillion as of end 2023, equivalent to 56.22% of 2023 GDP. The wholesale alone was capitalized at 4,401.5 trillion. The government also aims to have 9 million securities accounts in 2025 and 11 million in 2030, with priority given to developing institutional, professional, and foreign traders. The strategy sets the goal of having Vietnam's stock market status upgraded to frontier in 2025 from emerging as now by international agencies. The VNINDEX, which tracks the wholesale, ended 2023 at 1,129.93 points, up 12.2% year-on-year. That is all of the video today. Do you think it's potential to invest in Vietnamese stock? If you want to find out more, I'm so glad to continue to share. Thank you and goodbye.